125 grams of butter, a half a cup of caster sugar or white sugar. So the butter should be really soft, and using an electric mixer, we cream that. We add 1 egg and 1 cup of self-raising flour, or you could substitute 1 cup of plain flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we add just a pinch of salt, 1 cup of sultanas, or you can use raisins or mixed fruit instead, and 1 cup of cornflakes. And then we get a spoon, and you can do this, Mum, and just mix it all around, and I'll get the tray ready. Oh, that looks good. And we tip just about a cup of cornflakes into another bowl, and what I like to do is just lightly crush them with my hands. I find it easier using wet hands. I like them quite big, so like a tablespoonful, and I form it into balls, and then I just coat it in cornflakes and put it on the tray. I just press it slightly. The oven's preheating to 180 degrees, no fan. And they take between 10 to 15 minutes to cook, or maybe a bit longer depending on your oven. And the other day I made these and I tripled the recipe, and they really double and triple fantastically. They're just a really lovely biscuit. Everyone loves these. How many did it make, Mum?
14.
14, yep. And I'm going to put them in the oven, and we're going to make the caramel ones now.
Okay.
$125 grams of soft butter, half a cup of white sugar or caster sugar, and a half a cup of loosely packed brown sugar. And we cream these for a couple of minutes until they're fluffy. Then we add just a pinch of salt, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we beat that for another minute or so until it's nice and thick. Then we add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and we mix that again. And we add 1 1/4 cups of self-raising flour, or you could substitute 1 1/4 cups of plain flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And the last ingredient is 2 cups of cornflakes. Can you mix that all together, Mum, until it comes together? And what I like to do sometimes, it's just easier and quicker, I just mix it like that.
Oh yeah.
It's easier. Line another baking tray, and about the same size, I think, Mum. The other one's spread more than we thought, so we'll keep them apart a bit. Might need 2 trays.
Yeah.
They're getting bigger and bigger.
That's what I thought too.
16. This made 18 big cookies. Nice.
Wow.
So what I might do is just press them down lightly with my fingers, like that. And I cook these in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, no fan, for about 15 minutes. Because I'm not using fan, I'll have to do 1 tray at a time. They're ready for the oven, and the other ones are ready to come out. 25 minutes, but that's because my oven's a bit slow, and they look beautiful.
Oh, they look great.
So that's how you want them, nice and golden brown.
And very big.
And very big. And they're really soft when they come out. So we just let them cool on the tray for 10 minutes, and then they'll go crispy. After they've been cooling down, I just transfer them to a wire rack. I only cook them for 15 minutes, and they look beautiful. They smell so good, don't they?
They smell like a bakehouse here.
Yeah.
These bakehouse.
And they're just cooked beautiful.
Bit soft.
Yeah, but they'll harden up, Mum. They go really hard
Yeah.
once you let them cool down. Oh, the coconut in them smells yum.